All UCF faculty, staff, and students have access to UCF's school license for ThingLink. For grading and web courses at UCF, and to ensure proper tracking of all views and interactions for your ThingLink scenarios, you will want to make sure that your students or other users have a ThingLink account associated with our school license. If not, their responses and interactions may appear as anonymous, or they may not even be able to access your materials in some cases. For faculty, one method of ensuring your students have a ThingLink account is to enable ThingLink in your course navigation menu. When enabled, students can select it, and it will automatically open a new tab opening to ThingLink's website. If they did not already have an account, this will now generate their account, and they can immediately begin creating content. If students already had an account, this will automatically log them in, and they can also begin creating content. Another option to generate accounts for your students in ThingLink would be to use the ThingLink Plug-In in the Webcourses at UCF Rich Content Editor when you're creating a page or an assignment. This will embed a scenario within the page, and when students select it, it will automatically generate their account, or it will automatically sign them in. Please note this will not work with base media scenes, it will only work with scenarios. To use the plugin, navigate to the Rich Content Editor for your desired page or assignment. In the top bar here, you'll see a little plug icon, and when you select it, if ThingLink does not already appear in this drop menu, you'll just click View All. This is an alphabetical list of all the available apps, so you'll just scroll down until you see ThingLink, and then when you select it, it will automatically open the ThingLink app integration with Canvas. Here, you'll be able to locate and find all of your existing content in your ThingLink account as the instructor. And like I said before, this will only work with scenarios. So at the top of the window here, you'll click Scenario. You'll see here I have one specifically created for Generate Your ThingLink Account. You do not need to make it specifically for generating your ThingLink account. This could be an assignment or some sort of learning activity. It doesn't matter what the scenario is, it will generate their account or automatically log them in regardless. But for the sake of this, we're just going to hit Send on my Generate ThingLink account. I did that just by scrolling my mouse over and clicking Send. And then you'll see here it's automatically embedded here on my web course page. So I'm going to save this page, and now we'll look at it from the student perspective. Once they're here, when they drag their cursor over top of what that scenario is, and they select it, you'll see here it'll automatically open ThingLink in a new window. That scenario automatically pops up. If students needed a new account, it will generate that account, and if students already had an existing account, it will automatically log them in, and this will ensure proper tracking and student data for you as the instructor.